Guys, if you want to see how I made this delicious egusi soup, it's a very quick, easy and simple method, yet it will turn out super delicious. Then watch the video. Look at that color, guys. Look at that soup. Wow. Guys, my egusi soup is done. Honestly, I will advise or encourage you guys to try this soup. You saw how I made it, right? Try this soup, you will love it. This is a very quick, easy and simple way of making egusi soup, yet turns out super delicious. Try it and come back and write me a comment of how it turned out.
Allora, vedi che questo era del C, perché con la A va bene? Va bene così, riprendiamo qua, altrimenti tu ti distrai e dopo ti dimentichi. Qua a leggere delfino, bravo, delfino, hai visto che ormai le hai capite tutte?
Se l'ho capito.
Le hai capito, brava. Dai, andiamo avanti, leggiamo qualcosa di nuovo. Questa è una... come come il
magia.
No, magia. Chi è che fa le magie? Il mago, il mago. Brava, che brava.
Ma se cambia.
No, è sempre così.
Così va bene.
Così va bene. Dove siamo arrivate?
Siamo arrivati qui.
Qui, brava. Cosa abbiamo detto? Che questa è una? No, è una da sola. Brava. E qua è scritto mago, bravissima. Mago, questa è una?
Nuvole.
No. Come?
Nuvole. Vole.
E questa qua finale così.
Ah.
E allora si legge nuvola. Ecco, hai capito? È facile questa. Perché il V è difficile.
No,
non è difficile. Hai
Allora perché non ho capito?
Non è che non hai capito, è che tu hai detto nuvole, invece è nuvola, una solo è una nuvola, una, no tante, giusto?
Sì.
Capito? Questa è una O. Questo si chiama?
Il suo nome?
Il suo nome è del giovanotto.
Giovanotto.
Stazione ferroviaria. Questa è stazione ferroviaria dove ferma il treno. Stazione degli autobus.
Stazione
Degli autobus.
degli autobus.
Ok, stazione degli autobus si trova. Vediamo, tutto in città. Stazione dell'autobus sarà vicino delle ferrovie, quindi stazione degli autobus, questo segnale non si trova qui, dove è scritta tutto, dov'è, non lo trovo. Centro sportivo. Look at me. Sportivo. Centro sportivo. Bravo. Scuola.
As you can see, everybody is busy reading and I'm here minding my business. Guys, this past few days has not been easy with me, honestly. I know you guys might have been wondering why I've not posted in a while. This is basically the reason. Like, I don't feel like picking up my camera, but today I just felt like, okay, let me just give it a try, since it's just turning on the camera and vlog anything I can be able to vlog. I just showed you guys Favor and her lesson teacher in the living room. You know how I've been complaining of her assignment being too much, and being that I don't really understand Italian very well, not to talk of teaching my child with Italian language. So we thought it will be wise. I think it's a wise decision that me and my husband have made so far. I'm sorry, I'm talking so deep. So we thought we should hire these people. And one thing with these people is that they do all of this with free heartedness. Is that the right word? Like, we are not paying them. We hired 2 of them. One comes every Tuesday and the one comes every Friday. So as soon as Favor comes back from school, the teacher will come and the lesson begins. And even when we ask them, both the 2 of them, they said they will not collect any money from us. Like, they are doing it from their hearts. They are not doing it for payment or anything. And I'm like, really? So people like this really exist. That's one thing with Italians. If they want to help you, they will help you to the very core, like without asking you for any money. So this teacher now, the 2 of them, we are not paying them anything. Now, anything we are going to be giving them is just coming from our hearts. It's not a part of payment, like paying them for the work they are coming here to do. And they are coming to our house. You see the advantage. We are not driving Favor to their house. Both of them come here to teach her and to do her assignment with her. And from time to time we go in and monitor them and see how everything is going. You know, I was in the living room there when they were doing it. So like, I don't know how to I'm so excited that that part has been taken care of. I don't have to be thinking of doing her assignment like every time, unless days when they will not come. Then you know that I can help her or my husband will help her. So it's just a very big relief for all of us, a huge relief. And I'm so excited that Favor is following along. She's always happy whenever her teacher is coming. She is always happy and she follows along so well. I'm so happy about that. I thought she wasn't going to like the idea, but she loves it. Like, she follows so well and she is reading like perfectly and correctly, and the teacher keeps saying brava, brava. Like, she's very intelligent. Like, that girl, just tell her what to do and she will do it. You don't know how happy I feel. I feel so relieved. I just want to relax here, cuddle with my bed and my pillow. Hey God, oh. See you guys in a jiffy.
If you like this video, don't forget to click on the like button. If you're new to my channel, please click on the red subscribe button below and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my latest upload.